Hello, you lovely people of the internet. Yes, it is Jankster, and I've been back after a long break. I'm sorry, school started, I got projects, school's kind of important, and also Destiny came out, and I've just been grinding that, so sorry about that. We're gonna try playing this. And if you guys can't tell what this is yet, also the name's right there, right where the mouse is, right? Yeah, okay. Hopefully you know that now. We're gonna play Spore, one of my all-time favorite games. And we're gonna see how long it takes me until I decide to rage quit. So shall we? Where do we want to live? I want to close here? I don't know. What planet's the prettiest? That's what I want to know. This one's pretty. Sell. What do we? Nah, you gotta eat stuff. Let's go. Cause I'm badass. We're going normal. What do I name this thing? Do I have to name that thing? Alright, I'll name what that looks like. I'm gonna call that... I don't know, again. Yay! Let's look at this beautiful creature that... Welcome to the tide pool. Eat that. Oh wait, no, you're a carnivore. Eat that. Yeah, bite him right in the butt. Oh yeah, that tastes good. Eat that. Tastes good, don't it? Oh, look at this. The leftovers. Oh man, so good. Oh, alright, now I'm just mine. Get over here. Who's your daddy? Do not run from me. Oh! I'm just not. Oh. Oh man. Loving time. Hey there. I brought you food. Aw. Wait. Am I the mother? Well, I guess the name fits, right? Yes, that's nice. Perfect. Well, I don't care where they work best. I'm gonna put his eyes in his ass. How about that? What, He just looks like... I don't even want to know what he looks like. Is that it for skins? Oh, that's just weird. We're going with it. I already named my species. Didn't I name it? Alright. I swear I named this thing. I'll name it again. See, I don't know what they're talking about. Come at me, bro. We going ham. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? I'm taking you with me. Oh no, you sneaky little bugger. Okay, we got Deke. Deke, no! You failed me. Have a snack. Oh, okay. You're gonna die. We're gonna gangbang you. Come here. Hey. Stop going so fast. Get wrecked. Oh man, you taste so good. Look at that, now I'm big. Oh, you just killed my wife! I think. Alright, I'm leaving. Have a good day. Oh shit. Alright. Go have some lovin'. Go have some lovin'. Oh, he's pissed. No, you can't touch this. Leave me alone while I make a baby. You don't want to disrupt this moment. I should censor this, shouldn't I? Nah, you guys are old enough. What are you, like 8? Yeah, you're good. Alright. Let's start from scratch. He does look like a giant pecker. He's a pecker with jets. Oh god. What is this? Oh, perfect. A pecker with STDs. I'm gonna rename him. No, that's celery. Nobody eats those. What is going on over here? I don't know, but I plan on killing it. It's one of my own. Oh, come here. Get over here. Alright, that was dumb. No, what are you doing? Go make some sweet lovin'. Lovin' stuff. Oh, we're gonna dock. Oh, we just docked. Look at that. Oh, he looks accomplished. Oh man, we got like... That's kinky. Yeah, no, right there. That is perfect. Now that is what I call a toy. Hey, I need a flatmate. No, go. Go get some. Oh wow, that guy's stuck in the middle. Oh, that must be so... Oh, poor guy, poor guy. Chomp. No, eat it. Oh. What's going on? Oh my god, he grew a brain. It's about the size of mine. Path to sentience. I get it. Go to land. I did stuff. I don't think I died. Alright, that's nice. Nobody cares. What is wrong with him? There really is only one thing that this creature can evolve into. Only one true thing. There! A prehistoric chicken! Alright, now we gotta make sure he looks like a chicken. Chickens are white, right? They're like white, red. Wait, no, we gotta make that yellow. There, prehistoric chicken. Oh, look at him swimming. Oh, look, they're my prehistoric chickens. I'm a chicken. There's something... Oh, what is this? Oh, you got a thing. I don't even know. Are there other things around here? What is this? It was an animal. It's not my food. Oh, look at him. He just do a flip. What the hell is that thing? What? Eat it. Come on, eat it. Don't let him kill you. Finish him. I'll be very depressed if you let him beat you. Oh, you're getting wrecked. Here, let's see. I'm good at this game. Oh, hell. You don't mess with the chicken. Oh, these must be the chickens that evolve into the things in Link or Legend. I don't even know. Alright. Let's go make some lovin'. Go bang it. Like, do some... Look at that. That ass. Look at he's putting on the moves. Ben, never mind, I'm a girl. I'm still a sweet-ass chicken. Alright, our prehistoric chicken has decided to evolve. He lost his fabulous tail, but now he's a unicorn chicken. That thing looks like it will murder the whole world. That thing looks pissed off. Oh man. Oh, there he is. Kill it. Kill it. Murder him. You shall feast on his flesh. What is this thing? Yeah. That is what I thought. Go get some. Yeah, shake that. I guess you could say it tastes like chicken. Alright, let's get ready for the most marvelous creature to ever be born. Oh my god. Uni Chicken's getting an upgrade. Let's go. I'm gonna bring you back to my turf, boy. Yeah, I didn't think so. You deserve this. Yes, go tap that ass. Why are you all oiled up? Oh, he won't hatch. There you go. Species has migrated to a new nest. Follow them to find a mate and claim a new home base. Hey you. Charm. What the? Okay, so that's how you make friends in this game. Oh man, look at that ass. Alright, here we go, this way. Who said chickens were flightless? What are these things? Can I kill them? Who's the elf in here? Yeah, I'll kill it. Sick of mini chickens. Future generations. Oh my god. Uni Chicken, you're getting smarter. Yeah, the Uni Chicken. Wow, that one looked like it hurt. Still sounding retarded. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this little never mind. I hope you guys enjoyed this Let's Play. We will be back if you liked it. We will continue. Please let me know if you enjoyed it, of course. If you really hated it, I'll still probably make another video. Just out of spite. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next episode, because they'll be coming. I just need to do it. I need to stop playing Destiny. I hope you guys are playing Destiny too. It's an amazing game, but you should stop it and watch these videos. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.